Somebody steals your thing, you can retrieve it from him, and he says, no, don't retrieve it from him, go to court. You have to wait for the courts to convene. But the court that gave you a governor that was fought in Imo State is not likely to be a court that I will be heading to when I'm cheated on this scale. The court that hasn't delivered justice to people like me since I was born in this country is not the court I can tell you that I have implicit or explicit confidence in. If we go to court, you can almost determine what will be the outcome of the court.
The candidate of the African Action Congress, AAC, in the 2019 and 2023 presidential elections, Omoyele Sowore, has explained why he did not approach the Presidential Election Tribunal to seek the nullification of President Bola Tinubu's victory in a March interview. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share and comment. The candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the Labour Party, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, and the parties had filed petitions challenging Tinubu's victory at the tribunal. However, in an interview with Arise News, Sowore said he had no confidence in the tribunal because the court had never delivered justice in election-related matters before.
Regarding the Labour Party and the PDP, is what people like us have always said, that they are the same. We are not part of that coalition or alliance. And with regards to the courts, when somebody steals your thing, you can retrieve it from him, and he says, no, don't retrieve it from him, go to court. You have to wait for the courts to convene. But the court that gave you a governor that was fought in Imo State is not likely to be a court that I will be heading to when I'm cheated on this scale. The court that hasn't delivered justice to people like me since I was born in this country is not the court I can tell you that I have implicit or explicit confidence in. If we go to court, you can almost determine what will be the outcome of the courts. The courts in Nigeria have never nullified the presidential election. Even in 2007, when they conducted an election in which there were no serial numbers in the ballot papers, the courts declared that you don't need serial numbers. And the person for whom the election was rigged by President Olusegun Obasanjo, that's Yaradua, came out and said, these elections were problematic, but he accepted the booty regardless. So I do not think we are going to head to a court that may not be able or hasn't delivered justice in similar matters for us. I think the reason they're asking people to go to court is to calm down the nerves of Nigerian people so that they accept this rubbish as a fait accompli, and they make sure that there are no uprisings on the streets to retrieve back the stolen mandate, whatever fraudulent election they conducted. That's the reason they direct you to the courtrooms, because they know what the outcome will be, because we also know how these courts are constituted by political parties in power.
Sowore's primary reason for not approaching the Presidential Election Tribunal is his lack of confidence in the institution. He argues that the court has never delivered justice in election-related matters before. This statement highlights a broader issue of skepticism and distrust in Nigeria's electoral justice system. It suggests that many individuals perceive the tribunal as being influenced by political factors or unable to impartially adjudicate election disputes. This lack of confidence can undermine the credibility of the electoral process and potentially lead to a lack of faith in the democratic system. Ohun tá à ń sọ ni pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló ti gbàgbọ́ pé tribunal tí wọ́n lọ lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n bá dìbò tó yan olórí wọlé, àwọn èèyàn nígbàgbọ́ nínú ẹ̀ mọ́, tó fi jẹ́ wípé Sowore gan sọ pé òun gan ò gbàgbọ́ nínú tribunal pé à ń lọ sí court, wípé ìdí tán ṣe máa ní kán lọ sí court ni pé káwọn èèyàn má bàa dá wàhálà lẹ̀, kí wàhálà má sí nígboro, òun ni wọ́n ṣe máa ní kán lọ sí court. Omoyele Sowore's decision not to approach the Presidential Election Tribunal reflects a broader concern about the credibility of Nigeria's electoral system, the state of opposition politics, and the potential need for electoral reform. It also underscores the challenges faced by opposition parties in coordinating their efforts to challenge election results in the country. Remember to follow us for more stories. Like, comment, and share. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.